June 12, 2025. A day that began like any other in Ahmedabad, India, ended in devastation. Air India Flight AI171, a Boeing 787 Dreamliner with 242 souls on board, vanished from radar just seconds after takeoff. It crashed into a crowded student hostel, killing 269 people. This is the full story. What happened that day, and why no one saw it coming. Flight AI171 was a scheduled international service from Ahmedabad to London via Mumbai. At 1:38 p.m. IST, the Dreamliner took off from runway 23 at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. But within 36 seconds of liftoff, something went horribly wrong. The plane reached just 625 feet of altitude before it began descending, and then disappeared from radar. The aircraft plummeted directly into BJ Medical College's hostel building. Inside were dozens of young students, studying, sleeping, completely unaware of what was about to happen. The explosion shattered windows across blocks. Fire engulfed the floors within seconds. Rescue teams rushed in, but it was already too late for many. Out of 242 on board, only one person survived. Vishwas Kumar Ramesh, a British Indian man seated in 11A. He recalls waking up surrounded by twisted metal, smoke, and silence. "I thought I was dead," he told reporters, "but then I heard someone shouting from outside the wreckage." Miraculously, he limped out with burns and broken ribs. Everyone around him was gone. Initial flight data raised serious questions. The plane's landing gear was never retracted. The flaps may have remained retracted as well, meaning the plane lacked sufficient lift. No mayday call was made, no indication of an engine failure, no evidence of fire mid-air. Investigators began focusing on mechanical failure or pilot error. The tragedy sent shockwaves across the world. Prime Minister Modi, King Charles III, and UK PM Keir Starmer expressed their condolences. Boeing's CEO canceled all public appearances. This crash was the first ever fatal loss involving a Boeing 787 Dreamliner, and the deadliest aviation disaster in India in over 25 years. The black boxes have been recovered. The investigation is ongoing. But for 269 families, the answers may never be enough. The story of Flight AI171 is still unfolding. What we do know is this: one moment can change hundreds of lives forever. We honor the victims and we wait for truth, for justice, for answers.